As a Jamaican, don't you miss parties? What?
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
People that we don't know say Yaadman Etan. I'm gonna wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wait, Happy New Year? That means we're finally at the end of this chaotic year. Yes, 2020 has showed us that we have been living in unprecedented times. And 2020 has mostly been defined by the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, this vaccine has a lot in common with a PS5. A lot of people want to hurry up and get it, while a lot of people want to sit back and wait to see if it actually works. I am not an anti-vaxxer. I mean, a vaccine is to help create herd immunity and to stop the transmission of the virus, right? Wait. What you, Pfizer, what you mean by you don't know if... You know, with headlines like these, a lot of people are very much skeptical about this vaccine, and a lot of conspiracy theories are at work. I was thinking, what would it take for the average Jamaican to take this COVID-19 vaccine? So here we are with 5 ways how to convince Jamaicans to take the COVID-19 vaccine. Number 5, making it an international travel requirement. Yo, welcome, baby.
What you do?
I'm gonna stay here pack, you know.
I miss you.
Yo, babes, I miss you too, but don't worry. My flight is tomorrow. I'll soon see you. And I think I'm going to pack a little something special for you.
Just hurry up and come now.
Babes, how you expect me to hurry up? You think the pilot is going to be a Jamaican taxi driver? Don't worry, man. Tomorrow, I'm gonna see and everything will go good.
Bruh.
Just make sure you reach safe and
Yo, my son, come
sanitize.
touch you up. Welcome to the BBC News Network, where you're going to get this big blood breaking news. This just in. COVID-19 vaccinations are now required for all international travels worldwide. No! Sus Christ. If you make the COVID-19 vaccine a requirement for international travel, not only does it put pressure on the Jamaicans in the diaspora, meaning Jamaicans are foreign, are England, are America, are Canada, who want to go back to them yard, but that also makes Jamaicans in Jamaica feel trapped. The Jamaicans who feel like they want to escape and go other countries. Sus Christ. Jamaicans serious about the airport the way how we're serious about the KFC chicken, alright? Number 4, if governments granted Jamaicans instant visas upon getting the vaccine. Yeah, man. Yo, babes, you know, so I can't come back to Jamaica. I missed the flight.
What do you mean you missed the flight?
The people them come tell me say, me need the COVID-19 vaccine so me can travel, so me can come back to my yard.
Jamaicans don't miss flights.
No, I don't care if that's not the Jamaican thing to do. Me not gonna make them put no poison in a I body. Wait, somebody there at the door. How would that? Can I help you?
I'm looking for Mr. Ethan Campbell Reed.
Ethan? Him not there.
What?
He's not here. He is not here.
Well, I hope he went back to Jamaica because all records show that he is here illegally.
You come for deport him?
No, quite the opposite.
What?
I am offering him a visa.
Nothing in a life come free. Alright? What a catch.
COVID vaccine. Here's the doctor's information. We'll be in touch.
Wait. The vaccine safe? Jamaicans will line up like them in a KFC line for Friday evening because them can't bother cook. Trust me. Number 3, pay some of them.
Yo, that. Wagwan. Oh, hello, good afternoon. Yep. Nice mask. Oh, you watch Yaadman too? Yeah, honestly, I feel like he's so underrated. Yeah, him not funny. Oh. Okay, alright, well, ready for your shot? No. Nothing for about, man. Oh, by the way, make sure say you fill out the form, alright? Fill out the form on the table. Alright. If my dead, yo, me nah take this, me nah take that. Hear me say no? You have to pay me for take that. $1 million. And me nah talk about Jamaican dollar. Enough money so we can go back and build my yard. But most importantly, not just money, but allowing us to go back to work. So many of us, including myself, has been negatively impacted this year due to COVID-19 because it has affected our ability to work and travel, and yo, I just want to go back to normal, dog. Number 1 plus 1, yes, party. More about my carnival. More can wind up on girl in a public. Yeah. They be very idiot, you know. And everyone say, no, if you not pay me, the only shot that will take place in another place here, I want bullet in your face. As a Jamaican, don't you miss parties?
We say,
What?
but not just any parties. Events in Jamaica. Dream Weekend. Rebel Salute. Some Fest. Carnival. I haven't partied in Florida in such a long time because I just don't trust the people here. But I feel like the last actual party that I felt safe in was all the way in February, March, Rumfest. Yo, I want to experience events again. And the number one way to convince Jamaicans to get the vaccine is for lie to them and tell them say good for them body. The patois word of the day, body. Yo, I can't do it. Doc, I just can't do it. There is none on this earth where you can give me for me to take that vaccine.
Listen to me. It's good for your body.
What? Think about it. If you have 4 baby mothers, this will make you have 12. And 6 of them will mine you. And that you should have told me a long time, Doc. Yo, give me this. Yo, let me take it myself.
Okay, that wasn't so bad. Nurse, bring this one down to the morgue, please.
No, I said no, big man thing. A Jamaican man will change his whole life to make the work on his body so much easier. You have not this yo, I said no, me have a bridging, right? Ooh, you're gonna hate me for this. But me have a bridging who went on a mission to lose weight because his father told him that if he never lose the gut, he couldn't see his body. You see me I say? Like some Peter Griffin type of thing. Secret entry number 0. The best way to vaccinate Jamaicans is to put the vaccine in KFC. No, I'm not even joking. If you put the vaccine in KFC chicken, I guarantee you the whole of Jamaica get vaccinated. Whether we like it or not. I just decide that. But yo, people that better know say Yaadman Etan. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Comment down below what would it take for you to be vaccinated and whether or not you trust it or not. Alright, I heard that some presidents from Trump to Clinton said that they wanted to get the vaccine live on TV, right? I mean, it's not like we know what they're getting shot in the arm with anyway. Make sure to please leave a like on this video, comment, share it with your mother, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle. Hear me, I said, share this video like you're sharing COVID. Thank you guys so very much. Big up on the damn self. Yaadman out.